Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio. Kublay pi baro ginigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Umentri rangba ka jilaw Conrad ki Sangma mentakasni lalit dala di banlap ya ki jingtwa ka kynroh ba ka saudong ya ka jaka jong ka yung Dorbar Thaw ka jilla hamau diang banlap ya ka jing shisha. Habalawan banjurib layatu ha umentri rangba ba ka kynroh ka blatua Kajungai na kajaka blashna ke yung Dorbar Thaw ka jilla na margani ka jing slap omla aru ban poisya kani kajaka batua ka kynroh. Long ba ulayo ru ya ka jing pentim ulam pang ka yung Dorbar Thaw ka jilla ha kamit si Thaw diang bala kentu ban petlem ya kani ka jingtwa ka kynroh. Ha katay kajaka ban menta ka sngi ringkat ki briu jong ka PWD layatu. Baya kani ka kynroh Kam Don jingiasnoh AA ba ka jingtay ya ka yung Dorbar Thaw Na kajaka ba sinay kayong Dorbar kan sitam sibun ban poy siya kajaka ba sibenta jong ka kynroh kala kalem. Kani kajing tua Kam Don jingiasnoh AA bar kajing sinay kayong Dorbar kabrang yat menta katay ka kynroh kaday da ka wepat kajing tray bar kalong siya benta ba siya tem. Kajing sinay ka kynroh la pa sina na assembly na buns nem menta Kam Don jingiasnoh bar ka PWD. Ha katay ka jaka kala dan ru ka jingtwa kendo bat ka si kalakta ru ya ka kynroh bat ka basyay ka long ba Kam Don jingiasnoh AA ru bat ka jingshna ya ka di Iing Dorbar Thaw ka jilla la ong umentri rang ba ka jilla.
So there was some reports regarding some collapse of the retaining wall here in the Assembly Secretariat, in the new Assembly complex. So I have come here today to look at this. I got a call yesterday from the Honorable Speaker, and he had asked me to also look into the matter. And after doing my preliminary investigation and findings along with the PWD, I have been informed that number one, this particular retaining wall has nothing to do with the main construction building that's going on. In fact, we have been told that it's impossible to reach that location from here. It's very far away down in the sloping side, that side. Number one. So therefore it is it is not at all connected with this building construction. It's a completely different project going on, which is quite away from here, number one. Number two, it is also being implemented by the Assembly Secretariat. It's not implemented by the PWD. Number three, this particular retaining wall was made about a couple of years back, quite long time back. And number four, that the reason why this has gone down is because of the landslides that have taken place. And the landslides and different kind of maybe reasons are there because of which this particular situation has happened. But I want to clarify at the end that it has nothing to do with the construction of the building, and it will in no way impact the construction of the building. Thank you.